Welcome to the Floral Naphat! Very cute! Hey guys, today we are exploring the flower market in Bangkok. In Thai we call ปากคลองตลาด. This market opens 24/7. It is where you can find all the fresh, cheap variety of flowers right here in this part of town. But in today's video guys, I'm not just gonna show you the market, but I will show you places that you can eat, chill and hang out around sunset time. So let's go! Welcome to farm table. Here we are. I'm super hungry. We have roasted chicken salad right here and a roasted pork roll. This restaurant is called Farm Table. There's organic vegetable veggie dishes, very nice salad sauce. It's so fresh vegetable, guys. I love it. I love it here. Very nice environment. It's pretty small because it's very hard to find spacious places in Bangkok city center. A little crowded, but I love the vibe here. I enjoy it. I like how they decorated this place so much. I love the combination. You know, the roasted pork inside, I can taste a lot of pepper, and then the fresh vegetable taste just complete each other. Love it. Healthy, fresh, and tasty. Let's invite. This cafe plus restaurant, it's a hidden place in flower market. If you don't know about this market, you wouldn't walk past it because the alley right in front is very narrow. But I highly recommend, guys, if you are looking for a nice, cozy, organic cafe, they have good looking dessert as well, but I'm saving my tummy to the next dessert place. Alright, so let's go. กุ้งถุงตัง So in this area, guys, is where the wholesalers are. They're selling for retailer from to the other smaller markets. But if you keep walking straight, there will be like a main flower market road where all the teenagers like us are buying the flowers for some fashion photos or for this upcoming Valentine's Day. So if you are looking for a place to buy fresh and cheap flowers, follow me. Okay, gentlemen, listen to me carefully. If you're dating a Thai girl and you want to impress her by buying this Thai orchid for her, don't, because these flowers are for the monk. Usually buy to make merit to the monk in the morning, okay? Do not please her by buying the Thai orchid because she's Thai. Go with the basic, classic flowers. So right behind me, guys, are marigold flowers. In Thai, we call ดอกดาวเรือง. These flowers we use to worship into the temple to the Buddha or monk. Do not buy these for your girl for this upcoming Valentine's Day. However, you might see these flowers in front of the long-tail boat or in the taxi driver because this flower symbolizes safe travel and good luck. this cafe is called Floral at Napasorn. Basically, downstairs are the flower shop, and upstairs is this cafe. And there's just so many gadgets and like decoration on the wall, like old classic stuff for decoration. And these are our desserts. I ordered punch, juice, and lemon poppy cake. I have been here before last year with tengkwa. It's been every day that I've been thinking of this cake. It's like, okay, the presentation was, alright. It's not like other cafe that they like present their dessert with just like boom. It's very photogenic dessert. This is just like a piece of cake, lemon cake, but I guarantee the taste. Sour. Oh, it tastes like Yakult in a fresh, juicier version. I love it. Oh, one more thing. They sell proper food as well. Salad, like toasted bread. We just had our proper food at the other restaurant. So here is gonna be our dessert place. I love the icing on top. It's just like a little crusty, and then you reach the middle part, which is so soft and the right amount of sweet, sort of lemony. I'm not a big fan of cake, right? I'm not a cake person at all, but at some places you're just gonna give them. You have to give them, all right? They're just so good at making some certain food like this one. The cake is 100 out of 10. This guy is called Ew, and he's the owner of this cafe. He's up front. So this is Miss Ew, right? She's the owner of this place. Amazing cake and drink, Miss. Thank you. She's a girl for sure, right? Because she's three colored. Three colored cats are usually female. Thank you, honey. Second owner of this place. Very cute. Welcome to Floral at Napasorn. This 60 baht. Sugar with purple 60 baht as well. Look how huge. Oh gosh. The thing about Thailand, guys, you'll never get hungry. There will always be food on the streets. And in my hand, we have fried sticky rice. In Thai, we call khao ji. So basically, they put the sticky rice in like a circle shape like this, and they grilled it. But before that, they dip the sticky rice in fresh egg. It smells very nice, very salty. Like burnt rice with egg. Just like it tastes just how it is, guys. It smells very nice from the charcoal, but I don't really like it. It needs something else. Some dipping sauce maybe? I'm glad that I tried it. These are nice. I like orange. I like colorful flowers. So this shop is called 555 flowers. Okay, just so you know, guys, 5 means in Thai is ha. So it's like ha ha, like you're laughing. Ha ha ha, flowers. If you have Thai friends and you're texting them and they accidentally text your 5555 means ha 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 ha. So this shop is very popular among the young teenagers. They usually buy flowers and take photos at the Memorial Bridge, which I'm gonna take you next. So now let's find good looking flowers first. Come on. Welcome to the flower land. smells so good and so cheap, very cheap, like from 50 baht up to 200 baht depending on the type of flowers. But during the high season like Valentine's or like the Loi Krathong festival, the price will be double. Still cheap if you compare to the high-end proper flower shop. I think this market is very very nice, and some shop even arrange the flowers for you. Sunflower 140 baht. This is 140 baht. We are waiting for the flowers. They're arranging the flowers for us. For the arranging service, it's 100 baht, guys, and another 30 baht for the paper. So basically, I pay 470 baht, including the flowers. Ta-da! Wow! This is huge. This can be like a gift for Valentine's. Let's go. We're gonna take some great photo at the Memorial Bridge. Follow me. So guys, this road is the main road of the flower market, and right behind me right there is the Memorial Bridge. It's a very popular place among the teenagers where they will come here to buy the flowers. Very very trendy. I recommend you, if you want to see this market, come around late afternoon where it's not so hot. I have my flowers right here. I love them. And this is the Memorial Bridge, the famous bridge of Bangkok. Best to visit around sunset time. As you can see, a lot of people hanging around here taking photos. Epic view of Chaophraya River. And if you can see there, if you look that way, is the famous Wat Arun. There's so many ways for you to see this place. You can get here by the ferry, use the hop on and hop off tourist boat tour. I did that. I'll put the link down below. You can get here by MRT, Sanam Chai station. Also, there's plenty of car parking lots in this area, guys. Taxi, tuk-tuk, it's up to you. Now let's take some photos. Right behind me is the Chaophraya Sky Park. It is basically right next to this bridge. Alright, only 2 minutes walk. I think we're gonna run there so you guys get to see what Chaophraya Sky Park look like. Let's go. So that is the Memorial Bridge, the one that we went. And this is Chaophraya Sky Park, guys. This is quite a new park. And what I like about this park is that you can choose whether you like to view Wat Arun side of the river, or the other side is like a city view, like full Bangkok city view, which is beautiful. I love it. I love it, I love it. If you come around this area, these two bridges are must visit. And that's it for this video, guys. Now you know where to find the flowers for this upcoming Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.